I have a KitchenAid ice maker and it says to clean it, so I added the cleaning solution and it would start cleaning.
Can you guesstimate how old your KitchenAid is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
It is 3 years old and I'm looking for model number.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
KUIC15PHZS0 I, hoping it doesn't need work.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's filled with KitchenAid cleaner and it won't start the cleaning cycle. I paid the $5.00. Does a technician help me now?
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. I see that your question has been sitting for a while. Are you still needing help with this matter?
No one has answered.
Okay, give me just a few minutes to pull your information up and I will be right with you.
Okay, thank you.
Here are the instructions for running a cleaning cycle. Note: use 1/16 ounces, 473 milliliters, bottle of approved ice maker cleaner. To order, see the accessories section. 1. Press the on/off button. 2. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for the ice to fall into the storage bin. Remove all ice from the storage bin. 3. Unscrew the drain cap from the bottom of the water pan located inside the storage bin as shown. Allow the water to drain completely. 4. Replace the drain cap securely on the water pan. If the drain cap is loose, water will empty from the water pan and you will have either thin ice or no ice. 5. Read and follow all handling information on the cleaner bottle before completing the steps below. Use 1/16 ounces, 473 milliliters, bottle of approved ice maker cleaner. 6. Pour 1 bottle of solution into the water pan. Fill the bottle twice with tap water and pour it into the water pan. 7. Press the clean button. See the using the controls section. The clean button will blink, indicating that the cleaning cycle is in process. When the cleaning complete light is illuminated, approximately 70 minutes, the cleaning cycle is complete. During the cleaning cycle, the system will both clean and rinse itself. 8. After the cleaning cycle is complete, remove the drain cap from the water pan. Look for any cleaning solution left in the water pan. If cleaning solution drains from the water pan, you should run the clean cycle again. Be sure to refill the water pan with cleaner before starting the clean cycle again. Be sure to replace the drain cap securely on the water pan. If the drain cap is loose, water will empty from the water pan and you will have either thin ice or no ice. Note: severe scale buildup may require repeated cleaning with a fresh quantity of cleaning solution. 9. Press the on/off button to resume ice production. Please note that we here at Just Answer are on an honor system. I am only credited for my time in the event you rate with 3 to 5 stars at the top. Rating does not stop you from getting back to me in the event you need me.
We did all that, and when we press the clean button it says add cleaner even now the tray is full. We followed the manual directions.
Okay, so then what I need you to do is unplug the entire unit to do a hard reset. Leave it unplugged for 5 whole minutes. Let me know what happens after this.
Hello Travis, are you there?
I am here. Did you see my last response?
Okay.
Just checking. I asked if you saw my last response, did you?
I did, and we unplugged it.
Okay, let me know what happens after you plug it back in.
Okay, I will.
Thanks.
It did not work. It still says add cleaner even though tray is filled.
So the tray is still filled with the cleaning solution? If that is the case, let's try running another cleaning cycle and see what happens.
It has not run any cleaning cycle. It just keeps saying add cleaning solution. It won't run at all.
And you put the whole bottle in there?
Plus 2 more of tap water, just like the instructions say. When is your birthday?
Let's try putting 1 more tap water in there to see if that will fill it enough to start the cycle.
What color are your eyes?
I'm sorry?
Are you AI? Are you a robot?
No, I am not a robot. I have just not had someone ever ask me the color of my eyes or birthday when trying to assist with fixing their appliance.
Okay, I was just trying to see if you were a real tech or robot. Anyway, we pushed the button in real hard. I saw that as a tip on another site and it just worked. My husband literally pushed the button with all his strength. Seems a bit ridiculous that it takes that strength to start the cleaning process.
So it was just a stuck button then. I am glad to hear that it wasn't something more major. I was on the edge of thinking the problem was actually with your control board. So it's running the cleaning cycle now then?
It is. Thanks for all your assistance. I too am glad it worked.
You are more than welcome. Enjoy the rest of your night.
You too.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.